Okay, this is my neighbor's light. Okay, see it's a cube? Okay, what they do is the satellite up here is in perfect alignment to my neighbor's home, which is right there. And this light, this LED light, lines straight up with my smart meter. So what they do when they cook you at night, well, the cloud coverage now, but what they do is it's a space-based weapons system. The satellites line up to a house. See? And this light, this blue light, you see it? How it's changing color? Purple? Lines up perfectly with my smart meter. And that's how they cook you at night. Human cooking. That's how they do it. And then over here is a police hologram. So, neighbor to space satellite up in the sky, straight down to their house, and then straight into your smart meter. And over here's another holographic police thing. But that's how they do it. That's human cooking. Human spirit mind control. That's how they do it, people. LED lights are evil.